Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to keep copper from oxidizing. Copper naturally reacts with oxygen and moisture in the air, leading to a process called oxidation. This reaction forms a dull, often greenish, layer on the surface, which can diminish its shine and aesthetic appeal. Understanding how to prevent this is key to preserving your copper items, whether they are decorative pieces or functional components, ensuring they retain their original beauty and integrity for a long time. Before applying any protective measures, it's crucial to thoroughly clean your copper items. Start by washing them with a mild soap and warm water to remove any surface dirt, grease, or fingerprints. After rinsing, dry the copper completely with a soft, lint-free cloth. For stubborn tarnish, a gentle polish designed for copper can help restore its original luster, preparing it perfectly for the next steps in oxidation prevention. One of the most effective ways to prevent oxidation is by applying a protective coating. A clear lacquer or varnish forms a strong, invisible barrier that seals the copper from oxygen and moisture. For a less permanent solution, a high-quality wax, like carnauba wax, can be buffed onto the surface, offering a renewable layer of protection. Specialized anti-tarnish sprays are also available, designed specifically for copper and other metals. Controlling the environment where copper is stored significantly reduces oxidation. Keep your copper items in a dry area with stable temperatures and low humidity. For smaller pieces, consider using airtight bags or containers, perhaps with a silica gel packet to absorb moisture. Additionally, try to avoid exposing copper to strong chemicals, acids, or pollutants, as these can accelerate the tarnishing process and damage the surface.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.